Before we get started with this makeup tutorial, I just want to thank you guys so much for your support, and I want to wish you guys all happiness and don't give up on your dreams. I know it can be hard, and now we are going to get straight into the video. It's going to be hard because that's just the way it is. So work hard for what you want. Don't let anyone bring you down, and if you sometimes feel down, then just pick yourself up. Touch on color. And I know I need to buy more makeup. Well, for the next product I'm going to be using is this e.l.f. contour kit. Again, I know I'm going to use it as a base for the eyeshadow. Next product, and it's finally a new product that I'm going to be using, and it's actually a lipstick that is from e.l.f. and I got this in Marshall's. It has two sides, on a brighter side of red and then a darker side of red. And it actually has the moon right here on this side and then a sun on this side. I'm going to be using the darker shade for the inner part of my outer corner, and then the brighter shade for the outer part. The eyeshadow, I'm gonna go in with this orangey, and just to use that kind of as a transition shade. Now, taking a really colorful palette, I'm going to go in with this orange on the outer part and then with this red on the inner part. Next, I'm going to be using this small fluffy eyeshadow brush, going into these two colors right here. I'm using this holographic halo shimmer stick, so it's just a shimmery highlight, just like this. Now I'm going to go onto the lid. I'm going to take this small eyeliner brush. Next, I'm going to be taking the darker side of the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to be taking these two colors, brown and black, pressing that onto the lid, leaving a little bit of space between the red and the black. So to wing it out, I'm going to be using the black eyeshadow, and then I'm going to be using this NYX Simply Vamp lip pencil. Markedly red, I'm going to be using brown and black. Bottom lash line, I'm going to be using the red that I used on the top. First, and I'm going to be using the lighter shade. I'm just taking the black and brown to use for my bottom lash line. So I do not own eyelashes or an eyelash curler, the mascara, and this is waterproof, and I don't really like to use waterproof because it doesn't come off very well, but I'm going to use what I have. For the face, I'm going to be using this Lancome Paris foundation. Now I'm just going to set that with some powder. For contour, I'm going to be using the eyeshadows, and I'm going to be taking this brown right here. For blush, I'm going to be taking red and then some pinks. For lips, I'm going to be using the pencil. Now I'm going to go in with the lip product. This part, I'm just going in with some black eyeshadow and darkening up the outer edges. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that little notifications bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and also comment down below what you think about this look. Also share if you would like, and follow me on my social media. The links are going to be down below. See you guys next time.